Hey, what is up? Kate here from Embark, and I'm going to show you how to install the competition website template created by Embark, how simple it is to set up, and how powerful it is to run your competition prize business. So what I've done, I've started with a blank installation here of WordPress. I'm going to go into plugins, I'm going to add new, and then I'm going to install the all-in-one migration plugin. So let's search for that plugin. Here we go, this one here. Going to install that. After a few seconds, that's installed. Going to hit the activate button. I'm going to go to the all-in-one migration menu here, and I'm going to click import. So once you purchase the competition website template from Embark, the file will be shared with you directly. And then once you get it, you're going to drag and drop here. Based on your hosting, this will take a couple of minutes maybe. Don't forget, if you need competition website hosting management, Embark can provide those services too. So we offer premium business grade hosting. So our servers are really powerful, and they're not the cheapest out there, but that's for a reason. If you guys are investing in a competition website, you want those sales, you want a fast server, you want a fast website. So everything like that helps, and it's an investment worthwhile. But as you can see, this doesn't take too long at all. When we reach 100% there, it's just prepping now the import, and I'm going to hit proceed because it's basically warning me that it's going to replace the existing installation, which is exactly what we want. You can see here there's a lot of files that it's going to restore, and basically this will be the competition website template that you purchased from Embark. So whilst we're waiting for that here, we've just got the message saying it's imported successfully. Going to hit finish, and if I go to the dashboard, it'll log me out here. And what you'll need then is the credentials that we share with you when you purchase the template. So I'm going to pause the video here and enter those credentials in. Now that I've entered the credentials, I'm just going to hit login. And here we are, we're logged in. I'm just going to hit home again. Going to hit the admin button at the top. And then welcome with my dashboard that is created by Embark. This is really powerful, so we can connect Google and we get analytics straight into our website dashboard. Now this dashboard is created by us specifically for competition websites, so it's really powerful. It's really, really useful for you. So I'm going to go back to the main menu here, and you can see all the options on the side. What I'm going to do, first things first, let's jump straight into my business. And here, this is where you can easily, there's no need for coding, no need for knowledge of anything like that here. We've made it really simple, really powerful, and everything is done with reason with this competition website template. So the design of the page, the design of the template is backed by data that we've had for well over 3 years now of operating in the competition space. So guys, don't focus on the design of the website. We've taken care of that for you. This is the whole point of the template, to make your life easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload a logo here. So it's dummy content here. So I'm just going to, just for this process, basically, I'm just going to add my logo here. So say I'm doing it as you would. I'm going to upload my logo here. And what should we call our competition website? Let's call it Top Dog Competitions. I have no idea why, and it's the first thing that's on my head. So we can edit the tagline. Welcome to Top Dog Competitions, where I don't know where you'll win some fantastic prizes. Woof, because why not? That's part of the marketing. Anyway, I'm sure you'll find something much more suitable for your competition business. And about us, again, this is a bit more, let's think of something on the fly. We are offering you the chance to win some incredible prizes and experiences. These treats are something special treats, dogs. There we go. That's my insight to that. So there we go. I've just saved that. Socials and links. I can add these and I can update them as I want to my suitable things, suitable socials. I can activate Trustpilot. So I'm going to leave it in for now. If you haven't got it set up, choose no. Hit save and it won't show on the front end of the website. But, you can put your code in there if you have set up a Trustpilot account. Email address, hello at topdogcompetitions.com, something like that. Update the address at 123 Woof Kennels. You can see where I'm going with this theme now. Hit save there. How to play. Pretty self-explanatory. These are in for you. So these icons, they're free to use. You can use those at your leisure. If you've got the rights, the ownership to your own icons, or you want to throw something in, feel free to upload your own. You can adjust the title and the description. Generally, this is suitable for just this demo purpose. And then your legals. So again, you can drop your legals into here. You can update your address there and free entry methods and things like that. Your terms and conditions and your privacy policy can be entered there. And when you hit save, so what I'm going to do, let's view the site. So you can see I haven't done anything right now. We've got the Trustpilot bar right at the top, and we can see there. If we did choose no, this bar will just disappear. It won't show. But it's always good to show your reviews. The logo's instantly updated. We haven't have to do anything too special there, and we've got some dummy content already in just to show what the site's like. And you can see recent Top Dog competition winners. So there we go. We've got the about section is automatically updated, and the little tagline here along with the logo, the support number, everything, even the address, everything is automatically done for you. No coding, no development knowledge required. Now, I'm sure you're going to want to know, hang on, this orange, this isn't my color that I want. This isn't the style. Well, there we go. Colors and styling on the left. We can go into palette, ignore everything. You can go in and tweak, but everything is done by Embark, so you can leave it. You can just go to palette. Let's just say Top Dog. I'm going to go for a nice blue color. Do you know what? That works for me there. I'm going to use that as my action color. And I'm going to use it as my primary, so I'm just going to copy this. If you've got your branding and your color codes and everything, pop these in. I'm okay with everything else at the moment. Pretty much standard. I don't want to go too crazy. So let's have a little look now. You can see straight away that brand color has come in. It's actually a really nice blue, so I'm quite happy with that randomly pick. The action buttons have updated. The branding that we have taken care of. We do UI, we do UX, and this is exactly what you'd want for your branding. This little pop of color and the key buttons. The key actions on the pages are bringing your brand colors in, so it's really nice to see. It's really professional. And then what we can do, we can even, let's have a little look at mobile view here. Again, this is the admin dashboard, so don't worry, your customers won't see this. But everything's looking great, even on mobile. Everything's optimized, whether it's mobile, whether it's tablet, and even everything in between. We are 100% responsive with this template, guys. It's fantastic. It's so easy for you. You're not worrying about how good things look on different devices. We have taken care of that for you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to, you see we've got the dummy competitions. You can go in. If I go to my competitions, you can go in, you can clear these out, you could delete these. Absolutely up to you. What I could do, I can add one in myself now. So let's do that. So we're going to go in now. We're going to add new. And I've got a product in mind. So you can see here, sometimes it doesn't work. Let's go into light mode just so it's a bit more consistent. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste this product in. That's what we're feeling. A beer system. I've actually got this beer system myself, which is really great. So I'm just going to use this based on my knowledge. And I'm going to do product description. Okay, so that looks okay. Price value, I think this is about £180. Don't quote me on that. Is there a cash alternative? Yeah, sure. We'll offer £150. And then we could move down. Minimum tickets. We're just going to have the one guaranteed sale. Let's do, I don't know, let's do 300 tickets. Maximum tickets per user, roughly 10%. Let's just do that. We're going to have one winner. For a price of tickets, how many tickets have we chose? Let's just do 99p. Oh, let's do 199. Let's make a bit of profit on this one. And then we're going to start the date from now. Obviously, you can set it in the future. And with the power of this template, anything set in the future will show, but it'll indicate that, you know, it's not open yet. It's not live. It's coming soon. Again, we have taken care of all the design for you. You're not having to move competitions from live to finished. It's all dynamically done for you guys. You can relax. Let's set this for this midnight next week. We're going to have ticket numbers. We're going to randomly assign ticket numbers for the user. This is typically the best way we would advise. You can let the system automatically pick a winner for you, but if you want to do a live draw on your socials and things like that, that's your manual winner picking. Not going to have instant winners on this one. No short description. And for me, I'm just going to drop in a product image as well. So what we're going to do, the main product image is going to go in. We'll set that as a product image. We'll have some gallery images as well. So now I will drop some images in. Just going to drop these 3 images in. I'm going to add to gallery. And let's have a title. So the hero title section here on the side, this is going to be for the home page. So this might be, you might want something different on the home page in terms of the hero section, that slide at the very beginning. It's not a slider technically, but we're going to add some information here. We're going to take, just for the sake of it, let's take that. Maybe I don't want it this long. Let's have a look. I'm going to take out the middle bit just to make it shorter. There we go. And what I'm going to do, because these images are typically square and product images, they're not going to look too good on a wide kind of hero section. So I'm going to add, let's just see. I wouldn't typically recommend adding this in because of the text. So I'm just using this for demo purposes. And I'm just going to publish this. And we're going to view it on the front end. So you can see here, everything looks fantastic. We've got the cash alternative. Got some key information up here. There's no progress bar at the moment because there haven't been any ticket sales. As soon as the percentage starts increasing, the progress bar is automatically going to show. We've got our online and free postal entry toggle, which is really great and really useful for legality and your application to Facebook and Instagram ads. That's one part of the whole process, but this template's been approved for the RMG license that you need to advertise on Facebook and Instagram, also known as the Meta platform. You can see here prize details and entry lists. Everything looks fantastic. You've got the other competitions as well. And if I go to my homepage, like I said, what this hero section does really intelligently, no design needed from you. Every time the user, so let's go refreshes the page. So let's just go back to the home page. It'll randomly generate one of your competitions. You're not waiting for the slider to move. You're not adding bloat to your page with a slider. You're not hiding content. What it's doing, it's giving an even chance for all your active competitions to really sell tickets. And also, it looks like you guys are updating your site, something that, you know, a lot of business owners don't have time to do. So you're giving the impression that actually this site's dynamic. It's really professional. They're updating their website constantly. So you can see here, look, we've got a lovely gradient, and actually this gradient works well to cover the text. Again, if I was doing this for my site, I wouldn't use an image with text, but this is a really strong hero image for this section. You can kind of see why I didn't use this picture up here, because it would just look a bit odd. You want something, you know, really interesting to entice the user in, you know, and it's looking fantastic. Again, the progress bar, you know, isn't appearing here. Why? because we haven't sold 1% of tickets. So all this is automatic. All this is easily done for you. You don't have to code anything. This is the beauty of this template. I know I keep repeating myself, but I just want to really show you how easy it is to use. And look, it's been less than 15 minutes from start to finish. I've already put my branding in. I've updated my colors. I've even had time to set up a competition from scratch. Everything's looking great. We can add tickets to cart. The cart's updating. It's taking me to cart. Look, everything's so smooth. Everything's so fast. Everything works as expected, and it's on brand. Look at this. I mean, it looks different from the template initially, but with all the functionality that I'd expect. So there you have, guys. There's a brief little intro into the competition website template created by Embark. Feel free to ask us any questions. The email address is hello@embark.studio. Get in touch with us if you need any information. Like I said, we also have website maintenance services. You can also hire us on a monthly basis to basically work with you for your competitions. We can professionally set up, run and manage them for you. We're essentially a part-time member of your team, which is great. All our website management services, no long-term contracts, cancel anytime, literally on a month-by-month basis. Why? Because we're confident what we do is great and we want to work with you. We don't want to lock you into 12-month contracts and put that pressure on you starting out. It's a really flexible service. You can upgrade, downgrade anytime you like. And we just basically want to help empower you to make your competition website a success. So there we are, guys. I'm going to leave it there. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. I hope you find it useful and it showed you how easy and simple and powerful this template is. So there we are. My name's Kate from Embark, and yeah, check out the competition website template, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon.